So unfortunately, we did not make it down to the boat this weekend. I dragged Brittany out camping. So we went on a road trip. We went to Valley of Fire, and we didn't make it down. It rained pretty heavily, so I want to make sure there's not a bunch of water sitting inside of it. So we'll see how well it held up. So I just removed 5 vacuum cleaners full of water. It's a 10-gallon vacuum. I don't think it holds 10 gallons of water. I hope not. But it had to have been at least 20 gallons of water in there. Like at least. So I was walking by and I said, hey, this guy's been working on his deck, and it was literally like a waterbed when he first got it. So he's hired people who's helped him, and he's just getting like close to finishing it up. And he's like, don't worry about it, man. He's like this Russian guy. He's funny. And he's like, dude, anything could be fixed. He's like, you have a little bit of water, no big deal. So, you know, it's just nice to have the encouragement. And he says, like, you know, there's all those people are like, oh yeah, you know, it's cheaper just to stand in your shower, turn the water all the way cold, and rip up $100 bills. It's like, yeah, but the feeling when you're out there, no power, just wind, looking out at that, there's no other feeling. Alright, so I was just down here Monday afternoon, and it ended up raining Tuesday, Wednesday, and a little bit this morning, which is Thursday. And I'm not real pleased with the way I covered all the hatches and everything in plastic. So, yes, the hatches are covered, but I didn't think about that most of the water is coming from the rest of the deck and rolling onto the hatches. So I got some more tarps, and I ended up buying a bilge pump, and we're going to Cal and I are going to try and get this thing ready because it's supposed to rain again in the next couple days. First thing I notice is that the dehumidifier says 52%, which means not good. There's water inside. Let's go. Go. Normally that wouldn't be that big of an issue, having, that's not a ton of water. Like, it's more water than you want, but like the grand scheme of things, it's not that much water. But I have no bilge pumps, so I went to China Freight and got this Drummond little pump, inline pump. So I'm connecting a couple hoses, and we'll try and pump out the water a little bit faster that way instead of breaking my back. This is like another 10 vacuums worth full of water. Bah. So it's been a couple weeks since we've been down here. I went to Green Bay. Last weekend I had the flu, and this entire week I've just like been down on it. I'm still not 100%. You can probably see I'm still like stuffed up. So I just got down here. We got a text message from our neighbor the other day saying that it was super windy and the tarps were blowing everywhere, and it blew a couple buckets into the drink. So I brought some more buckets, and we're prepping because it's going to rain the next few days. So there's actually probably still water in it from when it rained. So I gotta probably pump that out and then prep for rain again. So let me get at that.
Yeah.
Alright, well, that really was not bad. I totally expected more water inside, but I guess the tarps worked pretty well. So I'm gonna wrap everything up. I'm gonna lay the tarps, prep for the rain the next couple days. Alright, so we're all tarped up. Hopefully this keeps out some more water.
Yeah.